This is just a little samba built upon a single note. Other notes are bound to follow, but the root is still that note. Now this new note is the consequence of the one we just been through, as I'm bound to be the unavoidable consequence of you. There's so many people you can talk and talk and talk and just